Hello everyone, welcome to Fura's kitchen. Today we are going to make one pot mincemeat spaghetti. So for this we'll need mincemeat, spaghetti, carrots, capsicum, curry powder, tomato paste, and grated tomatoes and onions. So in a pot, place my oil. When the oil heats, I'll add in the onions, then cook them until translucent. I added onions and garlic at the same time. This is a very fast recipe, yeah, when you're in a hurry. So I'll cook the onions and the garlic until translucent, yeah. And then I will add in my pre-boiled minced meat. I had already boiled my minced meat, and then I'll give that a good stir. Yeah, thank you guys for subscribing, for liking my videos, for the support. It's highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's continue with the support. Thank you. And then I'll continue stirring, yeah, the mincemeat, yeah, to incorporate it well with the onions and the oil, yeah. And then I'll add in my carrots and capsicum, yeah. In Kiswahili we call capsicum hoho. And then I'll mix that well, and then I add in my grated tomatoes. I used two medium-sized tomatoes, and then I'll give that again a good stir. Yeah, you mix that well, and then 1 tablespoon of curry powder, yeah, and then half a tablespoon of coriander powder. Add in any spices that you like, yeah. And then tomato paste, yeah, add in tomato paste, and then give that a good stir. And then I added in my spaghetti. Some may add in pre-boiled spaghetti at this point, yeah, but I didn't choose to go that way. You can choose to add in just pre-boiled spaghetti and then give it a good mix, and then serve, yeah. But I chose to boil together with the minced meat. So I'll add in water, just enough to cover the spaghetti. And then I added in salt. I didn't add much salt because the minced meat I had salt. I had boiled it with salt, then cover that to cook. Yeah, you see, it's a very fast recipe. Yeah, it doesn't take much time. Yeah, so I'll give that again a good mix. Yeah, give that a good mix. Sorry guys, I don't have a spaghetti spoon. It got spoiled. I'll replace it very soon. Spaghetti spoon makes work easier. So at this point, a spaghetti is ready to serve. Yeah, you can add in tomato sauce, yeah, chili sauce, and eat that with, yeah. It's so yummy, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Bye.